Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Nano Tape Bubble Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative DIY kits available right now. This kit offers a unique way to create fun, bouncy bubbles using innovative nano tape. It's perfect for both kids and adults who enjoy crafting and experimenting with different textures and shapes, providing hours of entertainment and a fantastic sensory experience. Number 5. Nano Tape Bubble Kit for Kids. This amazing kit lets you create unique bubbles and pressure relief toys. It includes everything you need to get started, offering endless possibilities for fun and creativity. You can even add glitter and other materials to personalize your creations. The kit comes with nano tape in 2 sizes, balloon fillers, an inflator, straws, and a spoon. It's a complete package designed to provide hours of entertainment. It's all you need to start making bubbles right away. This nano tape kit is more than just fun, it's a stress reliever. Squeeze the bubbles and feel your worries melt away. It's a wonderful way to relax and enjoy a sense of calm. We prioritize your safety. The nano tape and all materials are made from safe, environmentally friendly substances. They are odorless and free from harmful elements. We ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a fun day, this kit is the perfect gift. It's great for kids aged 3 to 12, encouraging creativity and providing a fun activity. It's a gift that brings joy and strengthens relationships. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a variety of fillers and an inflator. It allows you to create bubbles of different sizes and shapes. If you're looking for a complete and versatile kit that sparks creativity, this is the one for you. What people say. It is easy to use and the kids love it. The kit comes with everything you need to make the bubbles. The tape is very sticky and holds up well. Number 4. 6PCS Nano Tape Bubble Bubbles Kit for Kids. This amazing kit lets you create colorful nano tape bubbles. It's a fun DIY project for kids, providing hours of entertainment. The nano tape is made from non-toxic materials, ensuring it's safe for children. It's also durable and won't easily break, so it can withstand lots of play. With a variety of sequins and small balls included, you can customize your bubbles. Add glitter, sequins, and more to make them unique and vibrant. The kit comes with a simple, step-by-step guide. Just select the tape length, add filler, seal the edges, and heat it up. Then, blow bubbles with the straw. Follow the simple steps and you'll be blowing bubbles in no time. It's easy to learn and fun to do. You can use the straw or inflator to blow the bubbles. What we like. This kit uses non-toxic materials, ensuring safety while having fun. It includes a variety of sequins and small balls for customization. If you are a beginner, the step-by-step video tutorial makes it easy to create your own bubbles. You should consider this one. What people say. It comes with multiple rolls of nano tape and a wide variety of mix-ins to make different textured bubble balls. Kids love it. Contents work for my child though, and she has fun creating with nano tape. Number 3. Nano Tape Bubble Kit for Kids. This kit is designed for kids and made with non-toxic materials, ensuring safety during play. It's durable and not easy to break, so it can withstand lots of fun. Inside, you'll find a variety of colorful sequins and small balls. This allows you to customize the bubbles, making them unique and exciting. The process is simple. First, select the tape length. Then, add a straw and your favorite fillers like glitter. Seal the edges, remove the film, and heat it. After heating, you can blow bubbles using the straw or an inflator. It's a fun and creative activity for kids of all ages. Enjoy the bubbles. With this kit, the possibilities are endless. It's a great way to encourage creativity and provide hours of entertainment. It's a perfect gift for kids. What we like. This kit uses non-toxic materials, ensuring safety while having fun. It includes a variety of sequins and small balls for customization. If you are a beginner, the step-by-step video tutorial makes it easy to create your own bubbles. You should consider this one. What people say. Everything shown is in the kit, lots of glitter, colored clay, foam balls, straws, cute stickers, glitter tape, and even a cute little pair of metal scissors. It comes with so many different types of glitter and things to put in the bubbles. My daughter makes all different kinds of characters with this nano bubbles for fun, like doing a craft in her leisure time, and she says it's really fun. We have bought different brands before, but so far, this one has the best quality. Unlike the other brands which popped really easy or did not even blow up, this one definitely has superb quality and easy for kids to do it on their own. Number 2. Nano Tape Bubble Kit for Kids. This amazing kit comes with everything you need to create fun bubbles. It includes nano tape, colorful fillings, and all the accessories. It's perfect for kids of all ages. Feeling anxious? This kit is designed to help. You can squeeze the bubbles to relieve stress and calm your mind. It's a fun and effective way to relax. Get ready to create. With glitter and colorful water droplets, you can make all kinds of bubbles. It's a great gift for kids and friends, encouraging creativity and fun. We care about your safety. The nano tape and all materials are made from safe, environmentally friendly materials. You can enjoy the fun without any worries. Looking for a great gift? This Nano Tape Bubble Kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fun and unique gift that kids will love. What we like? This kit includes all the accessories you need for bubble making. It's designed to provide a fun way to relieve stress and anxiety. If you're looking for a fun and safe way to relax, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to make bubbles. The tape is easy to work with and the bubbles are fun to make. The kit includes a variety of colors and glitter to add to the bubbles. Number 1. Nano Tape Bubble Kit DIY Craft Kit. This amazing kit includes everything you need to create fun, squishy bubbles. It comes with colorful nano tapes, glitter, stickers, and more. It's a fantastic way to enjoy DIY fun. Inside, you'll find transparent and colorful nano tapes, balloon fillings, an inflator, stickers, straws, and a spoon. This set has all the accessories to make bubble making easy and enjoyable. This DIY kit is designed to help relieve stress and anxiety. You can squeeze the bubbles to calm your heart and improve your mood. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. With glitter and cute stickers, you can make all kinds of bubbles. This kit is a great gift for anyone who loves crafts and DIY projects. It's a fun and creative activity for everyone. The nano tape and other materials are made from safe, environmentally friendly materials. You don't have to worry about any discomfort. We prioritize user safety and experience. This Nano Tape Bubble Kit is a great gift for any occasion. Whether it's a birthday, Christmas, or just because, it's sure to bring joy. It's a wonderful choice for anyone. What we like? This kit includes both transparent and colored nano tapes, offering more creative options. It's designed to provide a fun way to relieve stress and anxiety. If you like to have more choices for your bubble making, you should consider it. What people say. It's such a cute little box for a beginner. My son is 8 and he enjoys playing with nano tape. Keeping me entertained with my auntie by making bubbles, separating them with colors and filling them with colorful materials designs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.